Hello engineers, welcome to my YouTube channel FA Pioneer. So today we are going to perform 2D machine, or we can say shell machine, on BIW component. So let's get started. Let's first import the geometry into the Hypermesh GUI. Select the geometry and now click on import. So the geometry is here. Now the next step is to delete the solids. Either there will be solids or surfaces. We will delete the solids for meshing. Go to delete tab, click on the geometry, and now delete entities. Now click on return. So the next step is to extract the mid surface. Go to mid surface radio button, click on the surfaces, display it. This is the one type. And the next thing we can do, directly click on the geometry. So now click on extract. The extraction process is initiated. So let's just quickly zoom in, control plus mouse scroll. So the mid surface is extracted perfectly. So we can see the mid surface like this. So we can see the mid surface perfectly. So this is our mid surface. So the next step 3, is to defeature the geometry, unwanted fillets, pinholes, and edges. The first option is pinholes. So these holes we can see, they create the problem while meshing, the improper mesh flow. So we need to delete them. So let's first measure the holes by distance panel. 2 points option, point 1 and point 2. Here we can see the 6 units is the diameter of that hole, same as here 8 units. Let's just quickly measure the diameters. That's all. So now we will enter that size of 12 and delete these pinholes, and now click on delete. As you can see, the pinholes are deleted. We will keep those 2 pinholes as they are more than 12 mm. Now the next step is to delete the surface fillets. Go to surface fillets tab. There are 2 options, lines and surfaces. You will see both. Surfaces first. Click on the surfaces, display it, and the surfaces will be selected. We can enter the minimum radius and maximum radius here. And these are the surface fillets to be deleted. Now click on remove. So as we can see, the surface fillets are deleted, but there are some problems like this. The improper fillet results in the geometry disturbance. So to avoid that, we will quickly go back, and now we will see by lines option. As we can see here, click the edge and find, and if we click on remove, the fillets are removed. There is some gap. We can resolve this issue by going to quick edit panel. We can select the toggle edge option and click on the trade edge and click on yes. The edge is toggled, the gap is filled, same as here also. We will quickly delete the surface fillets, unwanted surface fillets. Now click on remove. The fillets will be removed. So there are some errors. We can quickly resolve them. There is a gap formation there. You can also use the replace point option. Now further we will defeature this wheel-like structure. And this is clear. Here also we will defeature it and quickly toggle the thread edge. And now there is this massive fillet around the geometry. We will work on it. Fine. The fillet is selected. Now click on remove. There is little bit tweaking of the geometry here required. So we will go to replace point and replace and return the points to unify this fillet. Now go back to the feature panel and select these surface fillets and remove. And this is it, same as here. Now remove. This is how our Defeature works. This is also need to be treated. Now click on remove this fillet. Now all the unwanted fillets are eliminated. Now next option is edge fillets. As we can see, the edge here can result in a very bad mesh. We will delete that edge. Surface is selected and now click on fine. And these fillets are surface selected. As you can see the white F there, and now click on remove and the fillets are removed. Now we will visualize it in wireframe mode to see is there any red edges, green edges, yellow edges or blue edges. The red edges defines the free edges. We need to eliminate the free edges. All edges should be green. So let's see our geometry. So as you can see, the red edges are there. The free edges should be red. but there should not be any free edges within the geometry. So we'll quickly have a look. Yes, there is one red edges. So we will turn on the geometry and the shade edges, which is green edges, and go to quick edit panel by pressing F11 and toggle, and now we will toggle the edge. So the problem is resolved. Now quickly go back to the wireframe mode, and yes, there it is. Now there are no red edges in the model. As we see, there are no red edges in the model. So we will go back to our geometry mode, or we can say surface mode. The geometry is clear now, ready for meshing. Part 2 will be on my YouTube channel in the description below. You can access it in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe.